It's very important to moisturize your face before doing any makeup, so just use whatever moisturizer you have. Now, if you're planning to go out all day with this look or be under heavy studio lighting, I suggest you add primer before you start your foundation. Now, because I have a lot of dark spots or red spots, I'm using this color corrector just so I can conceal them very well. I'm gonna use my Sephora concealer brush, and with it I'm gonna dab everything. You can also use your fingers or your beauty sponge, it really depends on you. I'm gonna use my cream blush as a color corrector for my eye bags. Now, because Elizabeth Taylor is so fair, I'm gonna use my lightest shade of foundation. That being said, I choose a foundation that, even though it's a bit lighter from my skin tone, I made sure it won't make me look like a ghost. And that's what you should do as well. I'm blending using my Sephora foundation brush. Again, you can use whatever you want. I just felt like using it for this look. So if you're a Hollywood star like Liz Taylor, you'd be under studio lights almost every single time. So with the studio lights, they can see everything from the core being of your soul to every imperfection, so it's always best to conceal as much as you can. I'm a really big fan of baking my face, so of course I'm not gonna skip it, but it's really up to you if you want to. Now, Elizabeth Taylor is known for her very bold and iconic eyebrows, and I think that is her statement. And I'm gonna try my best here to give justice to that, and if not, then I'm sorry, but I tried my best. So to achieve those eyebrows, I used a pencil and I also used an eyeshadow, and yeah. Because her eyebrows are very bold, I'm finishing it off with a brow gel. If you don't have one, you can always use a mascara. I am using my concealer stick as the base for my eyeshadow. So I have been using this transition shade mostly for every single look. It's from the palette of Lingerie by NYX. Pick up your hat, close up your flat, get out and get under the moon. Underneath the bright silvery light. Right now, I am just adding some neutral shades just to give my eyes some more definition. Close up your flat, get out and get under the moon. Ooh, look at the stars above, look at those sweeties love, oh boy, give me a night in June. So to create a cut crease, I am gonna take my concealer stick and apply it on my lids. Take off your hat, close up your flat, get out and get under the moon. Now top it off with a white eyeshadow just to make the color pop. Now, using a flat brush, I am gonna define the crease using again the neutral colors from before. Use the same colors again with a crease brush just to blend everything else. You don't want the crease line to be too defined, you want it to be blended in. This is my favorite kind of eyeliner. It's the kind of eyeliner that is like a felt pen, sort of. It's just easier to create your wings with this. Don't forget to line your waterline to give you that signature Elizabeth Taylor effect. On a beautiful night in June, now get your highlighter. You can use any of your favorite highlighters, really, and then you use that to define your brow bone, and then you can also put that on your inner corners to make your eyes pop. Now it's time to curl your lashes and add your favorite mascara. I'm flying high, but I've got a feeling I'm falling for nobody else but you. Now, what's a Hollywood look without some dramatic falsies, right? Use your favorite falsies and you can really see the difference that it makes. I love it. I used to travel single, we chance to mingle now. Now I'm a tingle. I'm sorry, I'm also a very big fan of contouring, so I can't really skip this one, so yep. I am lacking in the nose department, and thank God I can fix that with contour. Oh, of course, highlight. You can never forget that. It goes well together. Now, it's not really necessary to line your lips, but I just do it so that I have a guide when I apply my lipstick. Oh honey, I never felt this way. Romantically, I'm up in the air. It's funny, so funny, me taking it this way. Don't know if I should, but gee, it feels good. That's it, you guys. We're done with the look. I feel if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want more videos like this, please hit subscribe. So bad, I said I'm feeling sick and so afraid. My man don't love me no more.